Do you want to unarchive messages on Messenger? You can unarchive a chat on Facebook Messenger with just a few simple steps. Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to unarchive messages on Messenger. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips video. Archiving messages in Facebook Messenger is a way to hide conversations from your main chat list without deleting them. When you archive a message, it's moved to an archived chats folder, where you can access it later if needed. To unarchive messages on Facebook Messenger, first, open the Messenger app on your mobile device. In Messenger, tap on your profile picture or the three horizontal lines located at the top left corner of the screen. This will open the side menu. In the side menu, tap on Archive. You'll see a list of all your archived conversations. Scroll through the list of archived chats to find the conversation you want to unarchive. Once you've found the archived conversation you want to unarchive, long press on it. A pop-up menu will appear with various options. From the pop-up menu, choose Unarchive. This will unarchive the selected chat conversation and move it back to your main chat list. By following these steps, you can easily unarchive messages on Facebook Messenger. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips.